In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to run JavaScript code in Replit. By the end, you'll feel comfortable setting up a project, confirming the tech stack, and organizing your files so you can write and run JavaScript smoothly. First, open your browser and go to the Replit website. Once you're there, you can start a new project. When you create it, use the built-in chat agent to describe what you want. Be clear that you're building with JavaScript. The agent can set up the project for you, pick the right environment, and add any essentials so you're not starting from scratch. If you already opened a project with a different template, no problem. Inside the project, you can still switch the tech stack. Just tell the chat agent you want to use JavaScript, and it will adjust the setup for you based on your prompt. This is handy if you clicked into the wrong template or changed your mind about the language. To verify what stack your project is using, open the library from the right side panel. This panel shows the environment and packages so you can confirm that you're working in JavaScript and, if applicable, that Node.js and any dependencies are in place. It's a quick way to double check you're in the right setup before writing code. Next, open the file tree so you can see and manage your project files. This is where you'll organize scripts, configuration files, and any assets your project needs. If you want to add a new JavaScript file, click the three dots icon in the file area to open more options, then choose New File. Name the file with a .js extension, like index.js or script.js. If you see an example that uses a .cpp extension, that's just a placeholder from a different language. For JavaScript work, always use .js so Replit recognizes it correctly. With your JS file created, you can write your code in the editor. Replit will typically detect your setup and is ready to run JavaScript out of the box. The output will appear in the console on the right when you run your project, making it easy to test and iterate. If you ever need to confirm libraries or add new ones, return to the library panel and manage them there. That's the full flow. Get to Replit, specify JavaScript with the chat agent, adjust the stack if needed, confirm it in the library, navigate the file tree, add a .js file, and you're set to write and run code. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.